Want to secure your website with an SSL certificate on GoDaddy? In this video, I'll walk you through the process of installing an SSL certificate on your GoDaddy hosting in just a few simple steps. First, log into your GoDaddy account and go to the My Products section. Under SSL certificates, you'll see the certificate you've purchased. If you haven't purchased one yet, GoDaddy offers various SSL options to secure your website. Click on Manage next to your SSL certificate. You'll be taken to the SSL management page. Here, select the domain you want to secure and follow the instructions to start the installation. If you're using GoDaddy's hosting, the installation process is often automatic. However, if you need to manually install it, you'll need to generate a CSR, certificate signing request. Go to your hosting control panel, cPanel, and find the SSL/TLS section. From there, generate a CSR for your domain. Once you've generated the CSR, return to your SSL management page in GoDaddy and paste it in the required field to request your SSL certificate. After GoDaddy validates the certificate, you'll be able to download the SSL files. Upload these files back to your hosting server through cPanel or your hosting account. Once the SSL is installed, go to your website and check for the padlock symbol in the browser's address bar. This indicates that your site is now secure with HTTPS. And that's it. You've successfully installed your SSL certificate on GoDaddy hosting. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more GoDaddy tips and website security advice.